Welcome to our quick step-by-step guide on how to set Siri specifically for your voice. Let's dive into the wonderful world of personalized voice recognition. Personalizing Siri to respond only to your voice enhances both security and convenience. Let's take a look at the benefits of this feature. First, make sure your device is updated to iOS 17 or later. This step is crucial for accessing the latest features. Now, tap on the Settings app to get started with the Siri configuration. Next, select Listen for Hey Siri and the option for Press Side button for Siri to enable voice commands. Follow the voice calibration instructions to set up Hey Siri for your voice. Make sure to speak clearly. Once you've set it up, test Siri's recognition by saying Hey Siri and see if it responds to your voice. If Siri doesn't recognize your voice correctly, don't worry. We'll provide some troubleshooting tips after this. To wrap things up, we discussed how to customize Siri just for you. Remember, voice customization is not only convenient, but also enhances security.